So how was your exam?
It was well.
Okay, which section was the toughest and which one was the easiest?
I feel like English was easy and general awareness was well.
Okay, do you recall any topic from which questions were asked?
From which section?
From any section, any topic.
Yeah, I do like time, speed, distance from fonts and normal grammar from English.
Okay, so were there any technical glitches during the exam? And have you given any other MBA exam?
Yeah,
Which one?
a lot of them.
Okay, so which one was the easiest?
Math.
Math. Okay, thank you so much. All the best. How was your exam?
Exam was good and the paper was on a moderate, easy to moderate side, like not very difficult. It's quite easy.
Okay, which section did you found easy and the toughest?
I think GK and innovation part was easy, quite easy.
Okay, and toughest one?
And I found quants.
Quant's toughest. Okay, so did you face any technical glitches during the exam?
No.
Anyone around you who faced?
No.
Okay, and have you given any other MBA exam?
Yeah.
Which
I've
one?
given CAT, Z.
Which one was easy among the three?
I found CAT.
That easy. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
All the
you.
best for your result.
Thank
Hi, so how was your exam?
My exam was good. Overall, the difficulty level of exam was moderate, and I think quants is little bit on the tougher side. But GS was easy to moderate, and other sections are from moderate to difficult.
Okay, do you recall any topic from which questions were asked?
Okay. Yes, I recall many. Like from the GS, many questions are asked on soil.
Okay.
Which soil is fertile or not, and also the rocks from which soils are made.
Okay.
Uh,
It's okay. Did you face any technical glitches during the exam?
no, I
Anyone
didn't
around
face.
you who faced?
No,
Okay.
I didn't see anyone. Who
Have
faced.
you given other MBA exam?
Yes, I have given CAT.
CAT. Okay, so CAT was easy or was CMAT easy?
Uh, CMET was easier
CMAT
side
was easy.
on the CAT, but I think because of the time, there is no time bound in CMET exams for sections, and
Okay.
also time. There is ample amount of time.
Okay.
That's why I think CMET is on the easier side than.
Thank you so much. All the best for your result. Hi, how were your exam?
It was quite good.
Okay, do you recall any section which was easy on the toughest?
I feel on the quants and reasoning part, 2 to 3 question.
Okay, any topic from which questions were asked, if you remember?
Most of them all मतलब सभी से था like different clocks and calendar. Every part was covered and quants also like mixture and alligation ratio जो CAT Z का रहता है pattern same था.
Okay, so were there any technical glitches during the exam?
No.
No? Have you given any other MBA?
Yeah.
Which one?
CAT.
Okay, so was CAT easy or CMAT?
CMAT obviously.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All the best for your result. Hi, so how was your exam?
So the exam was very basic, not a moderate level also. Basically, you can say if someone has read a basic general knowledge, then general knowledge was quite easy. But not with the perspective of a management examination.
Okay.
And then we come to logical reasoning, very easy. English, very easy. Quant, easy, not moderate.
Okay, and which one was tough?
So tough, as we can say, nothing was tough. If you are a basic, you have done a preparation of CAT, then you can attempt around 90 to 95 questions.
Okay, and do you recall any topic from which questions were asked?
So in GK, basically 2 questions are from vice president.
Okay.
3 questions were from sports, like cricket is a sports of which national game of which country, and one was when is going to have Olympics in 2028 Olympics.
Okay.
And in GK these are the questions, and one was of a national park, that where is Simlipal National Park is there.
Okay.
And logical reasoning, one question was from cube, one question was for dice, and basically rearranging the orders and jumbled orders. When we come to quants, profit loss, and basically DI was very it was, I think it was pie chart, and quant was very easy. Profit loss reasoning, these are all the topics. And when we come to that is innovation and entrepreneurship, with a common sense, with a general knowledge, you can solve all those topics.
Okay. Did you face any technical glitches during the exam?
No, I didn't face technical glitches. However, there was one girl who faced that, but that was resolved within, I think, 10 minutes or 5
Okay.
minutes.
Okay. So have you given any other MBA entrance exam?
Yeah, I have given ZAT, where I had scored only around 78 percentile.
Which
Because ZAT I have given ZAT.
No. So which one was easy?
So basically, CMAT is very easy.
Okay.
And I am not actually a management from a management side that I want to give a management exam.
Okay.
I am doing preparation of another thing. That's
Okay.
why my GK was quite good.
Okay. Okay.
So my friends inspired me that you give this exam if you have got.
So are you
78
preparing for
percentile.
any government exam?
Yeah, I am preparing for defense services.
Oh, wow.
CDS, UPSC, CDS and UPSC APF.
Okay.
That why GK was much easier for me.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that was all overall.
Thank you so much.
Thank
All
you
the
very
best
much.
for your result.